Hello everyone, we are going to install Jupyter Notebook by using Anaconda in this video. So let's get started. We are gonna just type anaconda.com in any web browser first. And then we are gonna have this download button. We can simply go there, or if you want more advanced features, you can go pricing, and here we have Starter, Pro, Business. They have some advantages, but I will go with the free, which is more than enough for small or middle-sized projects. Let's go back. Here you can choose your operating system. This is for Windows. If you click once, you're gonna see Mac OS, Linux for Windows 64-bit. Nobody's using 32 bits anymore. So I will go with 64 bits graphic installer. The packages will come here. Here we have a code in cloud. This is kind of free. It is giving you 100 megabytes space, and it is not going to be enough for your projects most probably, and you have to pay if you need more storages. So I don't recommend this one. The advantages of this, you don't need to install anything. You can just use the web browser. Okay, just click on this downloaded exe file. Loading. I will just click next. Here you can read the agreement, then we agree. If you are just using for yourself, you can go just me. If you are sharing your computer with someone else, you can use all users. I will go with just me. So this is the path we are going to install Anaconda. It's going to be 4.7 gigabyte space. You need it. Next. You can leave everything as default one. It says that create a shortcut menu. This is fine. If you have already installed Python, you shouldn't check this one. It's going to cause some conflict with the paths. So I have already installed, so I am not checking that one. Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.10. That's fine. This is what I installed. Clear the packages cache upon completion. We don't need this one. So just go with the defaults and install. This is going to take some time. So here we click next, next. Welcome to Anaconda, getting started with Anaconda distribution. I will just cancel them, finish. So after installing, we will go to Windows and right here Anaconda. So Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda prompt will appear. I will go with Anaconda Navigator. It's getting ready, installing applications, preparing applications, initializing. It will take some time at the beginning. Adding feature channels, and here we are. So here we can see the applications installed in Anaconda. You can just launch it, it's going to start working, or you can install. There are many applications here. Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, they are already installed for us. PyCharm is ready, PowerShell prompt, we have PySpider and more. If you like, you can just install and use them. So I will go with Jupyter Notebook. Click launch. Here we are. Here we can control the folders. I like to create a new folder in desktop. For my Python projects, we will go to new and folder. We can see the untitled folder is here. I don't like this untitled name. I will change it to Python project 1. We renamed it, it is here. Now let's start our first project. We just go to new again. This time I will click Python 3. So it's going to open a file for us. Yes, here. It's again untitled. You can change it. Let's make this one main. Rename it. So it's going to be main file. In these cells, you can write your code and run them. Let's see what is 5 plus 4. So to see the results, you can just click run, or in the cell here you can click, the result is 9. So you like to have the new cell, just click this plus and keep writing your, let's say x is equal 4 and y is equal, y is equal 5, x is equal 4. And I like to see what is x plus y. So I can just simply run this one. It's going to show us the results. If you want to clear out all these outputs, you can go to kernel, restart, clear output. It's going to restart everything, but without showing the output here. So when you finish your code, it is time to save. You can simply come to this button and click save, or click file and save and checkpoint. Let's have a look at our folder. So Python projects, and this is our file, main IP, Y, and B. That is the extension for Jupyter Notebook. It is not simply Py file. So how can I open my project again? You just start the Jupyter Notebook. Let's close this one. When you start Jupyter Notebook, this is what you are going to see. You will see all the folders here. It was on desktop and the name was project 1. And here my file, if you click once, your file will be here. So you can keep working on the file. So that's all, guys. So I tried to explain simply how to install Jupyter Notebook by using Anaconda. Thank you very much.